think we are in a period of huge technological change.
We want to blend the best of two worlds, being physical and e-commerce.
Microsoft is a partner-first company and really makes it easy for partners to build their solutions as well as to take them to market and monetize them.
There's been so many innovations in just the last year from Microsoft that have empowered us to deliver experiences to our customers that have been game-changing.
The Vision Group is designing to help retailers to reinvent their premises in making those stores more efficient, more intelligent, more connected with the end shoppers.
No matter what industry you're in. I think Microsoft is truly leading in the edge of innovation around AI.
Fractal is a native AI service provider for Microsoft, and Fractal was one of the first that saw the opportunity and immediately jumped out with some early solutions built on top of the Azure OpenAI service.
Tools like Copilot, there's so much context that we can capture to really empower salespeople to have more insights, ultimately driving a better customer experience too.
So we are leveraging not only technology, but also, let's say, industry templates that Microsoft has put together.
And Fractal wants to be leading the pack in terms of bringing Microsoft goodness to companies and people at large world over.
I would say Microsoft and GetBee is absolutely changing the way that people work together and really empowering the frontline worker.
And at the end of the day, the consumer is happier, the brand is happier, and it's all possible because of the partnership of Microsoft.